Stop by and take a look at the 2020 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, rear window defroster, clock, compass, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, tinted glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.